Okay, wait. Don't blink. This might be the most satisfying thing you hear all day. Listen to this crack. Yeah, that's real herbal leaves. No filters, no fake vibes, just straight up nature doing its thing. Now we break it. Slow, gentle, releasing that low-key insane aroma. You can't smell it, but your brain's already like, yo, this is calming. And boom, hot water hits, watch that color spread. Kinda crazy, right? Like the leaves are literally waking up. This is where it gets addictive. No energy drinks, no weird chemicals, just plants, water, and patience. Old school, but it hits harder than you expect. Now the pour. Smooth, golden, aesthetic on another level. Tell me this doesn't look like peace in a cup. First sip? Yeah, that's the reset. Mind quiet, stress gone, like it just logged out. If this vibe hits you, tap like, smash subscribe, and don't ghost. More chill content coming your way. But be honest, are you team herbal tea for the calm or still riding with coffee for the chaos? Let's argue.